Welcome to Tai Chi Moving for Better Balance. Today we will be practicing Hold the Ball. We begin by pretending we're holding a ball right at the center of our gravity. Hold the ball with the left hand on top. Let's do a little warm up here where we're doing some weight shifting forward and back, each time getting a little bigger until we come forward almost so much that we fall, and we hold the ball with the left hand on top. Now we shift our weight to the top hand side and we slide over to the other side, trading our hand positions. We're going to keep trading our hand positions, right hand on top, left hand on top, right hand on top, left hand on top. As we do that, we shift our weight to the top hand side. If the right hand's on top, we're shifted to the right hand side. If the left hand is on top, we shift to the left hand side. Now let's try taking a small step. Take a step to the right, shift your weight to the right side. Shift your weight to the left side as you take a step to the left. A weight shift to the top hand side, loading the leg on the top hand side so you can unload and step with the other foot. Shifting the weight to the top hand side as we take these small steps side to side. This is the standard hold the ball. We'd like to add what we call the Wyoming twist. We shift our weight to the top hand side, that's the left side, and we take a small step forward with that right foot, trading our hand positions. Shift our weight to the top hand side, the right side, take a small step with the left foot. Shift our weight to the top hand side, that's the left side, take a small step with the right foot. 3 small steps forward, now we're going to take 3 small steps backwards. Shift our weight to the top hand side, take a small step back. Shift our weight to the top hand side, take a small step back with the unloaded side. Shift our weight to the top hand side for the 3rd time, and we finish with the left hand on top. Now let's try this again. Shift your weight to the top hand side, take a small step with the other foot. Shift your weight to the top hand side, take a small step with the other foot. Shift your weight to the top hand side, take a small step with the other foot, each time switching your hand position. That's 3 steps forward, now we take 3 steps back. Shift the weight, change the hand position as we take the small step back. 3 small steps backwards. Now we're on the 3rd step backward, and we finish with the left hand on top. Again, we shift our weight to the top hand side, take a small step forward. Shift our weight to the top hand side, take a small step forward as we trade hand positions. There's the 2nd, hold the ball with a Wyoming twist, forward step. Now we take that 3rd step. Now we're going backwards. Shift the weight to the top hand side, step back with the left foot. Shift your weight to the left side, take a small step back with the right foot. Shift your weight to the right hand side, take a small step back with the left foot. We finish left hand on top, holding the ball. Now I want you to be able to do it with both hands. So now we're going to start with the right hand on top. We shift our weight to the right hand side, take a small step forward with the left foot. Shift our weight to the left hand side so the right foot's unloaded and we can safely take a step forward with the right foot. Shifting to the top hand side, each time we're trading our hold the ball position. Now we're going to take 3 steps back. Each time we shift our weight to the top hand side, take a small step back. Shift our weight to the top hand side, take a small step back. Now the 3rd time we finish with the right hand on top. Let's try that again. Shift to the top hand side, take a small step forward with the opposite side. Switch hand position, take a small step forward, switch hand position, each time shifting our weight to the top hand side. 3 times forward, 3 times back now. 1 step back, each time changing your hand position. The weight shift is very important, so we're safe and secure. We finish with the right hand on top. One more time now. Shifting our weight to the top hand side, step forward. Shift our weight to the top hand side and we step forward, each time changing our hand position so the opposite hand is on top. Once we take 3 steps forward, we take 3 steps back. Shift the weight to the top hand side, take that safe step. Shift the weight to the top hand side, take that safe step, each time switching our hands, and we finish with the right hand on top.